जब हुनर शोर मचाए तो उम्र की दीवारें उसे रोक नहीं सकती। ज़हरा खान ने 9 वर्ष की आयु में अपनी पहली बुक लॉन्च कर कर इस कथन को सच साबित कर दिया है। वेलकम टू आबू टाइम ज़हरा।
Thank you.
मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, आपकी पहली बुक लॉन्च हो चुकी है, विस्पर्स ऑफ वंडर। सो दिस इज़ द बुक जो ज़ारा हमारे लेके आई है, और हमने इसका लॉन्चिंग इवेंट भी लॉन्चिंग इवेंट भी देखा था। हम लॉन्चिंग इवेंट में भी थे, हमने कवर किया था। सो दिस बुक, जिसका कवर देख के ही लगता है कि देयर इज अ बैंक ऑफ स्टोरीज, सम ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरीज, जो स्माइल है कि कोई स्टोरी पढ़ रहा है या सुना रहा है। सारा क्या है विस्पर्स ऑफ वंडर?
Whispers of Wonder is a collection of magical stories
ओके, मैजिकल स्टोरीज।
filled with kindness, respect,
ओके,
and adventure.
सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू काइंडनेस एंड रिस्पेक्ट,
Yeah.
लाइक हाउ डू यू प्रैक्टिस दैट इन योर रेगुलर लाइफ?
Like if some elders is like in our room, then we should not back answer.
ओके,
We should say, yes, I did the mistake. Now I will not do that
ओ
mistake
ग्रेट।
again.
सो इस उम्र में ये समझ होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि जनरेशन जिस तरीके से बदलती जा रही है, कहीं ना कहीं मॉरल्स डाउन होते जा रहे हैं। ऐसे में इस तरीके की सीख और इस तरीके की ब्रिंगिंग डेफिनेटली एक बेंचमार्क क्रिएट करती है। सारा विस्पर्स ऑफ वंडर्स में क्या स्टोरीज है? लेट्स ओपन द बुक फॉर आवर व्यूअर्स। सो दिस इज द बुक, द क्वालिटी इज रियली गुड। आपको मज़ा आएगा बुक को पढ़ने में, इसके पेजेस टर्न करने में। द फर्स्ट पेज इज द सिंगिंग ट्री।
Yeah.
वैसे कुल कितने पेजेस हैं, कितने स्टोरीज है? सॉरी,
12 series.
12 स्टोरीज। ओके, सो व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट वन आउट ऑफ ऑल?
My favorite is the third one, The Cloud Painter.
द क्लाउड पेंटर।
Yeah.
ओके, सो व्हाट इज इट ऑल अबाउट? लाइक समरी बताइए इसकी कुछ।
Yeah, and the Cloud Painter is an 8-year-old girl named Zora
ओके,
was like just chasing a butterfly.
ओके,
Then she stumbled upon a shimmering rainbow ladder.
ओके,
Then when she was climbing the ladder, she saw a woven of clouds together.
ओके,
Then when she stepped on the clouds, young man came. Oh, hello, Zora. I am the cloud painter. Then Zora said, oh, wow. Then the man said that here all the clouds are painted. Then Zora said that, can I paint one too? Then the painter handed her a brush, but then the painter also said, be careful, child. Clouds carry more than rain.
ओके,
Then when Zora was coloring the cloud, she made a mess.
ओके,
She shaved the cloud like a kitten.
ओके,
Then when she made a mess, she was very upset.
ओके,
Then the cloud painter said, everybody makes mistakes.
यस,
You should know how to correct them.
ट्रू,
Then when then Zora took the silver color and made some strokes.
ओके,
It was fixing up, but not that much.
ओके,
Then Zora was very sad and left. When she left, when she like reached her home, she saw that the cloud painter had already gifted her that brush.
ओके,
And Zora understand that, oh yeah, I made a mistake, but I tried it.
यस,
So the moral of the story is that everybody makes mistakes, but we need to know how to correct them.
दैट्स रियली ग्रेट, बिकॉज हमने एक थॉट सुना था, एवरीबडी मेक्स मिस्टेक बट फूल्स रिपीट देम,
Yeah.
और आपने इसको और बेटर कर दिया है कि एवरीबडी मेक्स मिस्टेक बट एटलीस्ट यू ट्राइड। सो दैट इज अगेन अ ग्रेट मोटिवेशन। सो आई थिंक आपकी हर स्टोरी में एक मॉरल भी निकल के बाहर आ रहा है। तो जैसे कि आपने कहा, जो क्लाउड की स्टोरी आपकी फेवरेट है, तो व्हेन यू सी रेनिंग और व्हेन यू सी क्लाउड्स, व्हाट डू यू फील? डू यू फाइंड योर बुक समवेयर इन द स्काई?
I feel like this is my favorite story, and whenever
Okay.
it rains, me and my sister always go out.
Okay,
We just wear a swimming suit and just dance in the rain.
so you enjoy waves?
Yeah.
It's your favorite?
And whenever there's fog,
Okay,
like mostly in Mount Abu,
yeah.
then I always feel like, can I just walk on the clouds? Like the story I wrote on my own.
Okay, so this is how Whispers of Wonder was created, right?
Yeah.
जो जोया की इमेजिनेशन थी, वो एक्चुअली ज़ारा की इमेजिनेशन है, जो ज़ारा सोचती थी। और आपके को ऑथर हैं डॉक्टर अरुण शर्मा,
Yeah.
वन ऑफ द वेरी पॉपुलर, वेरी नॉन ऑथर फ्रॉम माउंट आबू। उनकी कई सारी बुक्स हैं जो केवल भारत में ही नहीं, भारत के बाहर भी प्रसिद्ध हैं। सो डॉक्टर शर्मा, ही इज़ वेरी into age with as compared to you. He is 78 around when you are just 9.
Yeah.
So how do you balance, there might be some ups and downs. How you people came up together and wrote it? How beautiful it was.
Like me and Dr. Sharma, what happened was how the story was created. Like when the war situation last time, we came to Abu,
Okay.
and here the second day in the night, Dr. Sharma came to meet us.
Okay.
So when he came, he told me about himself,
Okay.
that he wrote many books. Then I asked, "Do you write the books on your own?" Then he said, "Oh yeah." Then I said, "Why? Can we write a book together?" Then he was like, "Oh yeah, sure, we can write a book." From that time, me and Dr. Sharma, like, he took me in the garden and said that, "Look, all the birds chirping." Then I said, "Oh yeah, I can write a story from it."
Okay.
From that, I came with an idea of all of these stories, and I told him about the stories, and then we wrote it together.
Great. So now, like, people would be also calling Zara as author Zara, writer Zara, right? It sounds good to you?
Yeah,
You feel happy?
yeah.
So do you feel motivated कि आने वाले टाइम में मुझे बहुत सी बुक्स लिखनी है? ऐसा कुछ प्लान?
Yeah, I feel motivated that when I grow up, I want to be a kind person and
Okay.
a known author like first of all Arun Sharma,
Okay.
then Ruskin Bond, then the Sudhamurti. I also want to be like them.
Okay.
Like they write books and all of the world knows about them. They read the book. I want to be like them, writing more and more books.
I'm talking to a 9-year-old child, and literally when we were in the launch event, सब लोग यही सरप्राइज कर रहे थे कि like how difficult or how surprising it is, और ये true है, अभी बात की इतने सारे questions मेरे मन में आ रहे हैं. Now I'm feeling nervous how this 9-year-old kid is so confident and the way she is answering, like ये कहाँ से सीखते हो आप? कुछ है ऐसा कुछ? ये कैसे हो रहा है?
Like I'm confident.
So where
Even
this
if
confidence come from?
this confident comes like I think the same like the third story, the cloud painter. If
Okay.
somebody makes mistake, we can just
So you're
correct
not
them.
scared of
Yeah.
anything.
I'm not. I am scared of many things, but like not of this thing.
Not afraid of trying at least.
I'm mostly
Yeah.
afraid of the insects. Actually.
Okay, that's it. So like Zara, you look so beautiful and cute, and you have a different teeth.
Thank you.
So what compliments do you get for this?
Like
People used to notice it?
yeah, like whenever I went to maid club in Jodhpur,
Yeah.
my nanny always wanted me to have long hair and straight
Okay.
hair because she has small hair and curly hair.
Okay.
Then whenever I went to maid club,
Yeah.
like every time, any 1 or 2% came to me and said, "Wow, such beautiful hairs."
Okay. So it's difficult to maintain.
Yeah, it is a little
Mom
difficult
used to
to
help you out for
comb it.
this.
Yeah, Mama does help me to comb it.
So do you have any competition with mom? Mom के भी इतने लंबे बाल हैं या नहीं?
Mama does have a long hair, but she knows how to maintain it and she
Okay.
helps me a bit.
Oh
And
great.
when I grow up, I'll do it on my own.
Oh great. So you're going to keep the same long hair.
Yeah, I never cut my hair.
Great. So we are talking to a 9-year-old girl, and we already had a word about the book. So now let's know more about Zara. Zara, tell me, like, what do you do other than this writing or studies? क्या sports पसंद है? क्या activities पसंद है Zara को?
Like I do writing,
Okay.
but I'm more into sports.
Okay. What's your favorite sports?
My favorite sport is chess,
Okay.
squash, and swimming.
Oh, nice. All the three sports are really great to sound. So इन तीनों में से favorite कौन सा है?
First squash, second swimming, then chess.
Okay. And other than sports, like cultural activities in school, anything like
Yeah.
that?
I also do crochet.
What is that?
And crochet is like we make it out of wool.
Okay, that Kirosia,
Yeah,
right, right.
crochet.
Yeah. Okay.
And I
So you
also
do
know
it at
how
your
to
own,
play
that
guitar.
crochet? You know to do it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay.
And I also know how to play guitar.
Superb. So ऐसी कोई चीज़ है तो ज़ारा को पसंद नहीं है, ज़ारा करती नहीं है? कुछ बच रहा है या फिर नया कुछ इन्वेंट होगा तो ज़ारा को करने वाली है? या ज़ारा खुद ही डिस्कवर करेगी अब कुछ नया?
I'll discover more.
Discover more things. So great. So ज़ारा, जैसा कि आपने बताया कि आपकी स्टोरीज में भी काफ़ी मैसेजेस हैं. आप खुद भी
Yeah.
कहती हैं कि एल्डर्स को रिस्पेक्ट पहले करें, किसी भी चीज़ को अगर ट्राई करें तो घबराए नहीं, एटलीस्ट आप ट्राई तो कर लें. सो वी कैन फाइंड लॉट ऑफ मोरल नॉलेज इन यू. सो आज की जनरेशन है, जो यूथ है, दैट इज मोर इनटू मोबाइल एंड ऑल. सो क्या ज़ारा भी मोबाइल और सोशल मीडिया पे ज़्यादा एंगेज रहती है?
No, actually, I come from school, then I go for my squash, then to swimming. Like I'm busy, but everybody
Okay.
says, "Why do you do so many things? Your
Yeah.
mother's pushing you." But
Yeah.
no, actually, my mother never pushes me. She says that if you want to do it, or else
Okay.
don't do it. But
Right.
I am like, yeah, I want to learn that. Once I
Okay.
learn it, I'm into it, and I win many medals and all the
Okay. So
trophies
that
in it.
gives you a lot of happiness, right?
Yeah,
सो अगर कोई आप इमेजिन करते हैं कि आप एक क्लास में हैं और आप ही की सेम क्लास की एज के बच्चे सामने बैठे हैं किसी और स्कूल के, और आपको उनको मोटिवेट और इंस्पायर करना है कि केवल मोबाइल पर टाइम स्पेंड ना करें,
yeah.
कुछ बहुत सी चीज़ें करें, लाइफ में बहुत कुछ है करने को, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे जिससे कि वो लोग भी अपना जो टाइम है वो पढ़ाई और बाकी चीज़ों में ज़्यादा लगाएं?
Yeah, so you are right that many children are more into electronic
यस,
devices.
यस.
So if they are more into electronic, I have a message for them that they can just read books,
ओके.
and they once they start reading the books, they get it in their mind. They get more ideas.
राइट.
If they get more ideas, they also think like same happened with me. I
या.
read many storybooks and then I thought that let's be like Sudha Murthy.
ओके.
So they can also write their own stories, or else if they are too young,
ओके.
they think that they're too young, then what they can do is just read stories or capture ideas. When they grow up,
राइट.
they can just write stories.
True. So you have a very clear vision with that. So like Zara has a message to everyone: कि at least read, and once you read, you will increase your
Yeah.
imagination, and if you are young enough, then at the right age, you will get the ideas. You can execute whatever you have thought earlier, right?
Yeah.
So हमने ज़ारा से काफ़ी चीज़ें समझी भी, जानी भी ज़ारा के बारे में भी. अब कुछ हम लोग हाइपोथेटिकल चीज़ें भी इमेजिन करते हैं. मान लेते हैं अगर ज़ारा को एक सुपर पावर मिले, तो ज़ारा क्या करेगी?
It will be Zara 2.0.
ज़ारा 2.0. You want one more Zara?
Yeah.
Why so?
What will happen is I will stay at home eating chocolates.
Okay.
And Zara 2.0 will attend school.
So that
Zara 2.0
that
will
is the
attend.
naughty side of Zara, right? So you like chocolates?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll hide somewhere and Zara 2.0 will go in front of Mama and do anything she
Then Zara
said.
2.0 will overcome you, huh? People will see only Zara 2.0 because you will
No,
be eating chocolates.
no, Zara 2.0 I'll only send her to schools, or else
Okay.
she'll only stay at home locked in her room.
So she want a robot who can basically do work on her behalf. And that is the future, that is AI is coming. You know about AI?
Yeah,
Tell us something about AI that you know.
like yeah, many people use AI.
Okay.
Like if they want to create photos or
Yes.
anything.
Yeah. So it's more like a tool.
Yeah,
So do you think these tools are good for the people?
these are good. Like these are or they are not. As sometimes they are or they are not.
Yeah.
Like people say them to do like make a generate a photo. That's a good thing
Good
if
thing.
they want to gift anyone or
Yeah.
anything. But what people do is people just ask all the questions. They just read it once, and the thing the AI tells, they just get it in their mind.
Okay.
So they may get ideas from AI, but yeah, they must have their own ideas.
True. So everything has a positive and negative
Yeah,
side.
like if the teacher says to make a script,
Okay.
then people will just tell AI.
Okay.
That's not a good thing. They must get ideas from AI,
Yeah.
but
True.
write the script on their own.
We should not be completely
Yeah.
dependent on it. Just use it wisely. One more another message from her. That is again a good thing. So Zara, चलो आपके पास सुपर पावर तो आ गई. अब मान लेते हैं आप बड़ी हो गई हैं. ठीक है, you have crossed 18 and you have been grown up child. You have a grown up adult now. और आपको अब बना दिया है प्राइम मिनिस्टर इंडिया का. So प्राइम मिनिस्टर ज़ारा खान.
Yeah.
What
So
would Zara do first thing?
Zara would just tell everyone in the Jodhpur or the Rajasthan that
Okay.
please don't throw trash.
Okay.
Like even if like I recently went to Japan and I saw the streets, how much cherry blossom they have and
Okay.
zero trash.
Okay.
From that I also learned that when I came here I thought Japan was better.
Okay. So do you
Yeah.
want India to follow few good things
Yeah.
about Japan?
Follow like not only Japan, many countries they
Yeah.
don't throw trash at all.
True.
If Jodhpur or the Rajasthan don't like throw trash, it can be a good country or a
True.
good state.
तो जैसा कि हम जानते भी राजस्थान और भारत के हर कोने में, और खुद मोदी जी ने भी इसका बीड़ा उठाया, तब प्रधानमंत्री बनते ही उन्होंने भी सबसे पहले स्वच्छता की ही बात की थी। और आज की जो आई थिंक अपकमिंग जनरेशन है, आज से 10 साल 15 साल बाद वाली, वो भी इस बात के लिए चिंता करती है कि शहर में, देश में कचरा ना हो। तो कहीं ना कहीं भारत का भविष्य सुरक्षित और स्वच्छ है, राइट? स्वच्छता इज
Yeah.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So Zara, that was great talking to you. I think we had a great time talking to you, knowing about your ideas and all. So any upcoming book that you have imagined or you are thinking like मुझे इस पे लिखना है?
Yeah, like when I was 6 years, I wrote a book about my school.
Okay, you already wrote one book.
Yeah, I already
Okay,
wrote a book about my school Vansi. I
okay,
was very small. I was only 6.
okay,
So I just wrote it like 6 page to
okay.
5 page book.
So you
So
started
yeah,
from there.
yeah.
Okay,
So now I think I'll write about the upcoming generations and what Jodhpur can do to make it good.
okay. So you are more specific
Like
to
the
Jodhpur.
same thing I told that please don't throw trash.
Yeah,
If we throw trash, what can happen and all about that
right,
I'm
right,
thinking.
right. साला जोधपुर काफी चीजों के लिए फेमस है, उसे ब्लू सिटी भी कहा जाता है। और जोधपुर के जो जंक फूड है, आई थिंक कचौरी,
हाँ.
समोसा, मिर्ची वड़ा, ये काफी पॉपुलर है। जारा को जोधपुर क्यों पसंद है?
I love Jodhpur because it's the blue city.
Okay.
We know Jodhpur more as the blue city, and Jodhpur has delicious food
Yes.
like dal bati.
Dal bati.
I
It's your
love
favorite?
dal bati. Yeah,
Oh, nice.
samosas and kachoris.
That also you eat?
Yeah, we can only find it here.
Correct, correct, correct. So Zara has a taste bud as well.
Yeah.
Do you like people? Have you seen people doing blogging, vlogging, podcast? Do you know
Yeah.
about all this stuff?
Yeah.
So do you fascinate these things, like to create content, to explore places, to travel?
Yeah.
So in future, does Zara feel like creating content, getting into vlogging, blogging, something like this?
Actually, I'm not more into this YouTube and all.
Okay,
Even if I get phone, I can only watch the Netflix. I don't like YouTube.
okay,
I only watch Netflix movies
okay,
from children part. And when I grow up, I don't want to do this vlogging on and all. I just want to be a nice squash player and a doctor.
doctor. So your aim in life is to be a doctor.
Yeah,
And what motivates you to be a doctor, not other profession?
because actually people say that डॉक्टर बनना बहुत मुश्किल है
Just
and उसमें बहुत पढ़ाई लगती है and
बिल्कुल.
I see that even it's hard but I'll try my best.
Okay.
I'll try my best to be a doctor.
So Zara like
Because many
challenges.
people are already doctor. I also want to be like them, helping other people. Like if I'm a doctor, somebody comes and I help with them. Their stomach ache, I fix it up.
Okay. Such a kind nature she has, and that is why I think she is choosing to be a doctor so that she can again help people. हम देख रहे हैं आजकल की, ऐसी बात नहीं, जनरेशन बहुत ज़बरदस्त कर रही है। 15 साल के सूर्यवंशी जिस तरीके से क्रिकेट में पूरे विश्व में अपना नाम रोशन कर रहे हैं, भारत का नाम रोशन कर रहे हैं, उसी तरीके से कुछ 9 वर्ष की ज़ारा भी अपनी बुक के माध्यम से, अपनी सोच के माध्यम से ये स्थापित कर रही है कि आने वाली जनरेशन बहुत समझदार है और आने वाले भारत का भविष्य भी सुरक्षित हाथों में है। Thank you so much, Zara. It was lovely talking to you. I also learned so many things from you. The way you keep morals in your life, the way you respect your parents. Something about your father and mom, if you want to say something.
Yeah, I can. I just want to thank them for being like in my life. They always support me.
Okay.
If I do something wrong, they tell me that do not do this, or else you can do that.
Okay.
This is wrong. You can correct it, and they help me because of my parents and also one more thing, my school and my teachers.
Okay.
They also helped me to come till here. I just wanted to thank my parents and my school
Okay.
for letting me come till here. They helped me.
Yes.
Because of my school and my parents only I'm here.
Oh, nice. My goodness. One message to all the people.
Yeah.
One small message to the world. What Zara wants to say to the world.
That first of all, don't throw trash, and nobody is young or so big. You can just try whatever you want to do. If someone reads this book, they can just dream big.
Okay.
Dream big and try to do that dream.
Okay.
Like if you're dreaming big and you are doing nothing, just laying on your bed, you need to work hard.
Yeah. So guys, I think obviously जब आप ये पॉडकास्ट देखेंगे, आप देखेंगे कि एक 9 वर्ष की बच्ची कितनी अच्छी बातें कर रही है और कितनी सीख हमें दे रही है. So this was Sanjay on Abu Times, and along with Zara, we are signing off with a message Do not throw trash
Yeah.
and never hesitate. If you even make a mistake, at least you
You
try
have to
it.
correct it.
So don't be afraid of doing anything. Stay happy, keep enjoying, and follow our good times. Thank you so much. Say bye to our people.
Bye.
Thank you so much.